In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Wise account from fraud. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into the importance of securing your Wise account. Online fraud is becoming increasingly prevalent. Therefore, taking proactive steps to safeguard your financial information is crucial. One of the most effective ways to enhance the security of your account is by enabling two-factor authentication, commonly known as 2FA. This additional layer of security makes it significantly harder for unauthorized individuals to access your account, even if they happen to get their hands on your password. Now, let's walk through the steps to set up two-factor authentication on your Wise account. First, you'll want to log into your Wise account. You can do this by heading over to wise.com and entering your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access your account settings and make important security adjustments. After logging in, you need to locate your profile icon. You can typically find this icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu that gives you access to various settings related to your account. Next, select Security and Privacy. This section of your account settings is dedicated to your account security, where you can manage different security features to protect your information. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this area, as it contains crucial tools that will help shield your account from any fraudulent activity. Once you're in the Security and Privacy section, the next step is to click on Two-Step Verification. Here, you'll find the options related to how you would like to verify your identity whenever you log in or perform sensitive actions on your account. This is where the real fun begins. It's time to turn on the automatic verification. You should see an option that prompts you to enable this feature. Go ahead and toggle that on. Following that, you will want to click on Edit Default. This will allow you to choose what type of verification method you want as your default option whenever you sign in. Select Authenticator app as your default method. Choosing this option means that you'll use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator to generate time-sensitive codes that you'll enter when logging in. This approach is far more secure than traditional methods like SMS, which can be intercepted. Once you've selected the Authenticator app, the final step is to click on Update Default Method. Confirm this choice, and as easy as that, you have significantly increased the security of your Wise account. It's worth noting that after setting this up, whenever you log into your account or make changes, you will be prompted to enter a code generated by your Authenticator app. While it adds an extra step to your login process, this method ensures that even if someone tries to access your account, they won't succeed without that code. And there you have it. By following these steps to enable two-factor authentication, you've taken a significant step towards making your Wise account much more secure. Remember, keeping your financial information safe requires regular checks and updates. It's a good practice to regularly review your security settings and stay informed about any potential threats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone you think might benefit from these tips. Keeping your account secure is a responsibility we all share, so let's keep each other informed. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.